Good morning. Welcome to Sri Krishna Stories. Bhagavatam says that only he who knows and acts before danger or death comes will be freed from suffering. A simple story to explain. In one town, there were ponds in the middle of the fields in which there were lots of fish, big and small. Three big fish in it lived as very close friends. Wherever they were, whatever they did the same and lived in the pool very friendly. The other fish had a lot of respect and love for them. Each of those fish had a special character. There is nothing wrong with them, even though they are different from each other. First, the nature of the fish is to protect itself with forethought from impending dangers. The nature of the second fish is the nature of waiting until the dangerous time, appearing with great difficulty and defending itself after many difficulties. The nature of the third fish, the tendency to procrastinate and get into danger without listening to anyone's good advice. One day, fishermen came to the pond and built a canal around it to drain the water and talk about catching fish by throwing nets at least in the water. This speech was heard by all the three fish. The next day, the canal began to cut. The big fish started calling out to the other fish. Then the first fish started talking. Relatives, the danger is near for all of us in the pond. Today, I overheard some fishermen. I have an idea. Let me know if anyone has any objection to this idea, and if we go to the next place, we can escape from this great danger, and we will make a decision as soon as the water starts to run out. The second fish told his friend, it was not yet time to make such a decision. When the time comes, I will have the right idea. Let's take care of it then. The third fish told his friends that for now this talk is not necessary. There is no urgency and all this is vain fear, not to worry. That this is not the time for that. The other fish approved of this as they were reluctant to leave the familiar place. So the first fish said, I was going and went out into the exiting water. The fishermen expelled a large amount of water and threw a good pressure net into the pond, using various tactics to trap the fish in the net. The second fish got caught in it, but the rope of the net was tied to the mouth and lay as if tied inside the net. A fisherman took the net to another well watered place and began to clean it by dragging it away, releasing the second fish rope from the mouth and escaping it to the water. But the third fish fainted in fear and embraced death. Therefore, Bhagavatam says that only he who knows and acts before danger, death comes, will be freed from suffering. If a person thinks that he knows everything at the right time, he can only recover with difficulty. Any man who consults, knows well, intends the nation, and uses Parantaman's teaching in the right way at the right time can reap the desired benefit from its cooperation. We will sing the praises of Parandaman every minute. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanam.